Weekdays routines. Pay bills, take a nap, plan meals, go to work, go to school, cook dinner, read a book, do homework, bake a cake, play sports, call family, take a walk, write emails, write a poem, iron clothes, go for a run, walk the dog, study history, meet a friend, attend school, visit friends, practice yoga, write a story, prepare lunch, write reports, clean the car, read the news, study science, teach a class, watch TV shows, attend a class, work from home, go to the bank, write a letter, organize files, cook breakfast, go to the park, visit a doctor, work on a hobby, study for exams, review a budget, practice coding, plan a vacation, listen to music, clean the house, do home repairs, paint a picture, attend meetings, play video games, plan the weekend, attend a webinar, water the plants, go to the market, study for a test, go to a workshop, go to the cinema, grocery shopping, attend a seminar, work on a project, write a blog post, go to the dentist, have a video call, clean the kitchen, attend a workshop, visit the library, learn a new skill, organize the desk, make a to-do list, write in a journal, attend a book club, listen to podcasts, do a craft project, review class notes, clean the bathroom, take care of a pet, prepare for a trip, watch a documentary, go to a coffee shop, attend a conference, have a team meeting, exercise at the gym, take online courses, practice photography, study a new language, prepare presentations, do a crossword puzzle, attend a fitness class, learn about technology, prepare a presentation, do stretching exercises, do a science experiment, practice public speaking, attend a networking event, practice a musical instrument,